Hi my super sweet crafty friends, welcome to my channel Carolina's Creations Handmade. If you're new, please subscribe and click the bell button down below so you don't miss any of my videos. And today I want to welcome you to our Mother's Day gift ideas collaboration featuring Eboney, and her channel here on YouTube is Sharingmoore. So I am going to link to her channel over here and down on the description below. Please go check her out. We're going to have two giveaways of a $40 gift certificate each for an online craft store of the winner's choice. Please be aware AliExpress is excluded from this giveaway, and also you must be 18 years or older. You must be subscribed to both our channels or subscribe to our channels, and you need to watch both our videos, like the videos, and leave a comment on both videos. For my video, I'm going to ask you a question that you would need to answer down on the comments below. And my question is, are you making your Mother's Day gift, or are you buying it for her? So let me know down below. And I wanted to thank you guys to join us today for our collab. And I wanted to also talk a little bit about Eboney. Eboney is just amazing, and I'm going to let you know how this collab came about. You know, with this situation that we're all living right now, it's been really dangerous and scary out there, and there's a lot of need for protective equipment for medical personnel as well as family and friends. And Eboney has been amazing. She's been so selfless and generous. She's been making masks and donating them for 4 different hospitals and family and friends. And to me, that is just amazing how people can be so selfless, and just the fact that one of those masks can keep people safe and healthy and can also save a life is just mind-blowing to me. And I just wanted to share with you guys a little bit about Eboney. And if you guys haven't seen her channel yet, please make sure that you check it out. I'm going to link again down here and up here on the screen to her channel, so please make sure that you check it out, and that way you will also participate on our giveaways if you follow all our rules for it. So this is what I made for my mom, and I apologize, I am recording in a different setting. As you know, I've been living with my parents since the lockdown started because I didn't want to let them spend it all by themselves. So I'm actually recording from my room right now because I don't want my mom to see my present for her yet either. So I made this garland for her, and I think it turned out super gorgeous, and it's so easy to make. I'm going to share with you the materials that I used to make it. I used the Prima Capri collection for my flowers, and the handmade flowers, and the flowers are also the smaller ones from the same collection. And this collection was sent to me by Photobella. If you've seen my channel, you probably know that I was a designer for Photobella online craft store. Fortunately, I had to step down due to the situation because I was moving in with my parents, and I didn't know if I was going to be able to comply with the commitments, and I didn't want to let anyone down, so I decided to step down. But this was made using the material that they sent me, so I'm going to link to their online store over here. I'm going to share with you over here, and I'm going to link to it down in the description below. Make sure that you check it out. I really love this collection, and it's just so beautiful. And I use also the dies that you see here on the screen. One is from Sussex, the other one is from Crafter's Companion. The smaller flowers were made using the Sussex die. This one was made using a Crafter's Companion die. And then this circle, as you see here, was made using a chipboard circle. And this one is from Hobby Lobby. Before this mess started, they were having clearance at their store, 75% off. So I got this chipboard circle, it's a 12-inch circle, for 99 cents. So that was amazing. I also got the tool, and the tool was 99 cents and 74 cents. So this is super nice. Some of it is glitter tool, which makes it even more beautiful. And I wanted to make this big enough so my mom could place it in a door frame, or she could also place it on the wall in her house, and it would kind of like brighten her day right now. I think we all need a little bit of that. So I hope my mom likes my little garland, and this has vellum here on the back. I actually placed shimmer vellum there, and my idea was to place here the word mom, and I ordered some glitter product that I wanted to use. I wanted to cut with my die cutting machine the word mom and put it in here with a gold glitter, but unfortunately I didn't receive the product on time, but I'm going to do that before Mother's Day, and I think that's going to make it look super gorgeous. This is big enough so it would cover the door frame, or it would really look nice placed on the wall anywhere. So I hope that she likes it. I hope you guys like it too. Let me know down below how you like it. And again, this is super easy to make. If you see the materials and if you see my process over here, I actually cut the tool at 24 inches each, and I use around 24 pieces. So it would be 12 pieces of the glitter one and 12 pieces of the gray one. And I use the gray one because if you see here, some of the flowers have pictures on them that has some gray on it, and I wanted to kind of like bring that up also on my garland. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know down below. And what I did is I folded each piece in half, each piece of tulle, and then I place it under it, on the loop side, the closed side. I place under it, bring it up, and then I open the loop area and I place the other part in it, and I just press it down, and that would make it so it would tie up to the piece, the chipboard piece, and then it would give me this flare here for my garland. So I hope it's easy for you to follow. With the pictures, I think it's pretty easy and self-explanatory. And I also used some flowers here that came on the collection to decorate the rest. I think this turned out so beautiful. And I also made this piece here. This is actually using another die from Sizzix that you saw here on the screen. This die is for doing needle books. I don't sew, but I wanted it because I love the little mini book, and I think this is perfect to do like little presents, to gift little presents. And I made this little mini book using that die for another present for my mom, and you can see here how beautiful it is. I used some ribbon here for the closure, and I really like this die. But if you guys don't have this die, I'm going to make a template that is going to be similar, something similar, maybe a little bigger and a little different. But if you guys want to have that template, make sure that you email me to the email that you see here on the screen, so I can email that template to you as soon as I have it ready. It probably is going to be ready. I'm going to try to have it ready by Monday, so you guys have some time if you want to make it to gift a present to your mom. So I hope you guys like this. I love this flower from Prima also, and I use it. I think these papers are just gorgeous and perfect for Mother's Day. My mom is going to love this paper. So I made a ribbon, a ball enclosure here with ribbon, and I opened it up, and I decided not to adhere the flower directly to the box. And the reason for it is because when you open the box, if you want to do something here, if you want to open it like that, then you're going to smash your flower, and I didn't want that to happen. So I wanted to have it so I could place it like this, and the flower would go away from the bottom, and that way it wouldn't get smashed. And you can see here I converted this into a gift card holder using some photo holders here from Heidi Swap. And I think this is perfect. I'm actually going to add another handmade little present that I'm going to place in here. This is big enough so you can make a small present also. And you can also make a mini album in here and gift it like this. It would be a small book that is going to have a mini album inside. And if you want to learn how to do it, I made a 10 mini album that would fit also something like this. So if you want to learn how I did that, I'm going to link to that video here and down in the description below. So click on it so you learn my tutorial for how you can make a little mini album that you can place in here instead if you don't want to gift a card or something like that. And I love that you can just place your card in there, and then you can use this also to add your little present inside, or you can make this into a mini album. It would be so cute. So again, check out my tutorial for it. I'm going to place it, I'm going to link it down below and here on the screen. And then I also made this little card for my mom, And I made this cluster embellishment with you guys in one of my prior videos. If you haven't seen it, I'm going to link to it here and down in the description below. I love this cluster embellishment, and this card was made using paper from Maggie Holmes. It's not from Prima, it's papers from Maggie Holmes, and I just love how it turned out. I wanted to make it for Mother's Day, so I used a sticker from Maggie Holmes. It says I love you, and then I used some alphabet stickers also from Maggie Holmes to write the word mom. So I love you, mom. And I think this is so beautiful. I think it turned out so adorable. So over here I had to find the perfect message and write my card for her. And I think she's going to love it. You guys let me know down below how do you like how my card turned out. I added some of the same vellum that I'm using here. This is sort of like a shimmering vellum, super cute. And I didn't cut it the same size as the card because I wanted to give it more interest. So I just got a smaller panel and place it here on the side like that, so you can see the paper, some of the paper, how it looks, and then you can see it also how it looks through the vellum. I added here some washi, gold washi tape, and that one is also from Maggie Holmes, and I really love how this turned out. So let me know down below how you like it, guys. I hope you're doing well, considering the situation that we're all living right now. I hope that you're staying healthy and safe. And thank you so much for all your beautiful messages. All the love and support that you send me means the world to me. This has been really hard for me. I haven't seen my husband in almost 2 months now, and I'm dying. And it's been really stressful and crazy. But I'm sure there's a lot of people who are having it a lot rougher than we are. So I'm really thankful. The most important thing is that we're healthy, we're doing okay, and I hope you guys are doing too. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining us for this collab, and I hope this inspired you to create some things for your mom for Mother's Day. Please don't forget to check Eboney's video down below. I'm going to link to her channel, and I'm going to also let you know this giveaway is going to last for 2 weeks. So if you're subscribed to our channel and you follow all the other rules, you can participate for it. And in 2 weeks, we'll come back with the winner for our giveaways. Thank you again so much, guys, for your love, your support. Love you, and I hope to see you back here soon. Bye-bye.